Hi everybody, this is Sophia and today I'm going to be unboxing this new subscription box called Cosmic Craft. So, let's get right into the video. So here's the box, and as you can see it is labeled Cosmic Craft, and in my opinion this box is decorated very nicely. I like how they added splatters of paint to make it look like there are stars in the box, giving me a nice space vibe. I also appreciate how the creator decorated the sides of the box, making it look less empty. The first thing you see when you open the box is a thank you note. It says, "Thank you for supporting us. We hope that you have fun with the activities we have prepared for you. What you learn in this box, you'll never forget. The more boxes you order with us, the more you know. Use code SHEESH for 20% off on your next order. Thank you, Haley." The next thing you see in the box is the comic strip. Behind the thank you note are the instructions for both the activities inside the box. I like how you can tell this box will be packaged neatly just by looking at it first glance. Inside the box is a Ziploc bag filled with cocoa powder with a bag of sprinkles attached to it. Underneath it is an aluminum pan that holds a Ziploc bag filled with flour and a rock with a smiley face on it. A word search was also provided, and after that, there were 2 journals in the box, as you can see. The green one was labeled an astronaut journal, and the red one, astronomy records. They also included a spiky rubber ball. The last thing in the box was an activity called Black Hole Density Activity. Here is me checking if there's anything else at the bottom. The first activity is called Make Craters/Crater Impact. It says that in this activity, you will experiment the impact of craters, specifically on the moon. When the asteroids land, see the impact it makes, what happens to the regolith, and what happens after. Have fun, and don't get lost during your time of exploring space. The supplies I needed for this activity was a cake pan, flour, cocoa powder, sprinkles, and rocks. Well, I read ahead and it said that I needed rocks that were different sizes, and it actually only came with 1 rock, so you're gonna come on an adventure with me. But it also came with these 2 little glass thingies, so I'm also gonna use like one of them. Hi guys, I'm walking back home now from my backyard. I was unsuccessful of trying to find any rocks, but I'm just gonna go look at my house if there's anything that's similar. So yeah, it's not a big deal. Now I am setting up the activity, and it said to pour the bag of flour and pour it evenly into the cake pan. The second step is to pour the sprinkles evenly and spread it out on top of the flour. I would also want to point out that the bag that they used to put the sprinkles in is really cute. The last step to setting this up was to pour the cocoa powder on top of everything. Now that everything is set up, it's time to put it into action. So as you can see, there were white lines coming from the hole that was made from the rock, and so in the instructions it says that those are called ejector rays. They come from the impact of asteroids and meteorites. Since the moon has no atmosphere to protect it, asteroids and meteorites can create craters easily. The sprinkles that come out represent the diversity of the materials on the moon. Hey guys, so it's actually dark outside, and I'm gonna do this outside because it gets really messy. And my aim is actually like really bad. So, try it from here. I missed it. hit. It's like right there. Let's try more. I'm gonna try doing it while standing up. Okay. Here, right there. So I just finished the activity, and some things that I noticed was that the biggest crater I made was with the rock that came with the box, because it was honestly the biggest rock I used in this activity. And the craters that were deeper were the ones that I threw really hard. So yeah. The next activity is called creating a black hole / measure collapse of a star. It says that in this activity, you will measure and experiment the fall in of a very large star. The importance of density in black holes will be taught in this experiment. The things I needed for this activity was a latex balloon, a flexible tape measure, a digital scale, and a sharp needle that you did not just see fall off. And that's it. So the instructions said to blow up the balloon 6 to 8 inches in diameter, which I already did. And then it says to wrap the balloon completely with aluminum foil, which I forgot to say was with the stuff that's included with this. So yeah, here's a time lapse of me doing this because it's gonna take a while. So.
One eternity later.
So I just finished wrapping the balloon in foil. Pretty cool. It did not say to tape it on, but I don't think there was any other way to get it to wrap around. I don't know if that might affect anything, but I couldn't find a way to just wrap it around without tape. So now it says to measure the balloon circumference with a flexible tape measure and weigh it on the scale. So I'm gonna be right back and measure this. So I read the instructions and it says to gently squeeze it, and I did. So now it's time to pop it, and I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to do that. Wow, oh, the foil is covering the balloon. Oh, never mind. I got an opening. You guys are gonna watch me do it, because why not? Okay, hold up. Okay, so I am supposed to fill out this chart that is in the back, which I already started filling in. So I pretty much just have to find the circumference of it, and then find the amount of grams it is. And so that's what I've been doing so far. And before I do that, I'm supposed to like squish it gently. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm totally finished. So here are the final results of this activity. And at the bottom it says that even though the size of the ball changed, the mass should not. But on the 5th and 6th time I did it, the amount of grams went even higher. But I honestly think it's because since it's all like smaller and all together, kind of made it like heavier, since there's like not much air that's in here anymore. So that's what I think. I'm probably wrong, but yeah. Hello, welcome to my outro, and this is where I give my review on the box. So I thought that this box was very well made, and I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. Some things I really liked about this box was that it was very neat, and I thought that it was nicely packaged inside. Something that I noticed that was inside the box that I really liked was the thank you note, because it was laminated, and I thought that everything on it was perfectly placed. I liked how the logo was on the side, and the fonts and the background perfectly matched everything. So, and some things I would suggest would be to add some pictures or maybe visuals for some of your steps on your instructions, just to make it easier for for people to do the activities. But I thought that your instructions were very easy to follow and they were very clear, so thanks for that. I would also like to suggest to maybe put more activities in the box, but the 2 activities that were in the box that I received were actually pretty big activities, so I think it was fine. It was fine that you didn't put other activities in this box, but I would definitely suggest that you do put other activities. And I do believe that I got my money's worth. So yeah, good job on the box. And that's it.